Skillbutt here. I just finished doing the video and replacing the hoses, radiator hoses and stuff on this Eclipse that has the spring clamps. It was a bear getting those onto the new hoses till I figured out how to deal with it. You got to spray some like WD-40 on here or some sort of lubricant, silicone lubricant or something, and then you can use the pliers and spread them and then work it on. But yeah, that's the key. You gotta lube it up enough so that it'll just slide on that fresh rubber. So the trick to getting these on, just a little lube. Get it started, move it tighter, and there. I try to put it right kind of in the middle. That needs to go just a little farther. There, just past that, but not on the end. Okay, there, we're done. Nah, not quite. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.